people, welcome back to our channel. We am there somewhere. I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
What's wrong with you? We don't start the video. We have so much to do.
What kind of what we are gonna say? What we are doing?
Hola people, welcome back to our channel. We am there somewhere. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We know that it has been a while, but we are still around. Things have happened, which is why we haven't dropped a video in a while, but we
have things dealing with.
Yeah.
We still have things dealing with.
Yeah.
But we are, slowly easing back into
better place right now.
Stuff for you guys.
Have a few more house reviews to come, and we appreciate the feedback that we'll be getting from the house reviews. And remember, if you have one, you know somebody that has a nice one, Yan and Ren.
Hit us up.
Yeah. So right now, as you can see, we are in Saint Elizabeth. We are doing road for a reason. Maybe you'll find out, maybe you won't. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. So come back.
So we've been on a hiatus in a sense for more than one reason. Those reasons will remain unknown for a bit. We're kind of getting back on track now, or actually working towards getting back on track and all of that. We have to say thank you so much. I think Ren did say it earlier. Thank you guys so much for all the love that you've been sending our way, for all the likes, the shares, the comments, and for those of you who have not subscribed just yet, please remember guys, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, and we might just be popping up at a food stop close to you. We have some really cool plans for later this year, God's will. We're planning to go like all out kinda.
Plus anniversary coming up. Yeah. Not just for our road marriage, but also for our channel.
Yes.
So we're heading to our 1 year anniversary.
Yup. Road to 1 crux. Hashtag that for me. That's my hashtag. Road to 1 crux. But yeah, so right now we're out of parish, but we're heading back home. It is raining, and so we just have to be super careful on the road. We being him, still we have to be super careful because of course the road is wet, and you have some crazy people on the road. Because even with the rain falling, them just feel say, oh, let me be silly and do this.
By the way, we're kind of out of sync with the whole, you know, plug-in type of thing. I don't know if you noticed that we're kind of
awkward.
Yeah.
Don't mention it, folks. It is just, it's crazy. So much has been going on. So much. But we're getting back with the ball. We're going to keep the ball rolling again. And bring back the content and all of that. A little fun and thing in the mix. We're going to show you a bit of the journey. And of course, you know, the famous place. Yeah. If you guys haven't seen it as yet, you're probably going to see it. I don't know if the clip is going to be before this one or if it's going to be after.
Before.
There you go. So you saw. So you'll have an idea. Maybe not. But if you know, you know. So we are signing out until we're closer to home.
Yeah, we're like going to the supermarket as well.
Yeah. So we can come to the supermarket with it. Now I'm telling the price and them something else.
Jamaica.
Listen, folks. Catch you guys in a bit. It keeps happening. It keeps happening every single time. You ever notice it? Every single time it happens, I jump. It is. Is it me or the phone just pretty? I mean, like,
You can't stop very far.